Ever wonder what happens if the sun catches a cold? Apparently, it can. Our fiery buddy builds up magnetic pressure and basically sneezes. Scientists call it a coronal mass ejection. It's the sun saying, ACHOOO. Take that, solar system. This blast of plasma flies faster than 1,000,000 miles per hour. If Earth's in the way, boom. We get solar storms that mess with satellites, power grids, and your GPS saying you're in the middle of the ocean. So next time your Wi-Fi drops, don't blame your router. Blame the sun for sneezing too hard. Bless you, big guy.